Today, I'm going to be a rocket scientist and show you how to make a mini rocket out of a single match. Start by cutting the head off your match, like this. Then rip off a strip of tin foil. Place on the matchstick and head, one on top of the other, just like this, and roll it up. When you're done, it should look like this. So inside the foil, the matchstick goes into about here, the match head sits about here, and this part is rolled tightly into a point. Next, we're going to take a metal paperclip and bend it into a launching stand, like this. Then pull the matchstick out of the rocket and slide it onto the stand. And finally, give the foil underneath the match head a pinch, like this. But make sure it still slides freely up and down the stand. It should look like this. To light it, use one of these extended reach lighters so you can keep one away. Make sure it's not aiming at you or anything important, and hold the lighter underneath the match head. If you get it right, it should make a pop and fire a good few feet, sometimes even further. Pretty cool, huh? It takes a bit of practice and doesn't always work. Make sure you wear safety glasses, and this should only be done outside, somewhere safe and in a well-ventilated area where nothing can catch fire should anything go wrong. Angle it away from anything important, and remember the rocket and stand will both be very hot after you've launched it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. For more fun projects,